同学们好, welcome to Year 4 Chinese Lockdown Edition. Lovely to see you, Grade 4. I hope you've had a good week so far. So, we have been learning about colours back at school, and we're going to continue that at home. So what the first thing is that I want you to do is, on the eLearn near this video, I put this sheet, this as a file, and it is called the Colour Cheat Sheet. Now, it's got the colour list and it has the vocab list that we've been learning in class, plus those new words down the bottom that we did just before lockdown. So what you are going to need to do for this activity today is you are going to need to go and print this off. Now, if you can't print, that's fine, but you are going to need to write them out because you are going to need them. Now, writing them out, it might take a little bit, but it's actually really, really, really good for up here. It's much better than printing. It'll help you remember them. So even if you do have access to a printer, if you really want to remember these words, writing them out is better. Okay, so pause the video, go and find the sheet if you haven't already, and print it out. All right, I'm going to assume that you have now done that and you have access to this because I'm going to be asking you some questions and you're going to need that to be able to answer them. So the first question is, 这是什么颜色?这是什么颜色? Okay, can you tell me what that question means? If you said, what color is this, or this is what color, then well done. 这是什么颜色? Literally, this is what color. Okay. Now, what is the answer? No, it's not red. 红色 is what I was looking for. Well done if you said that. 红色. Very good. 红色 is red. Good work. Okay. Next one. 这是什么颜色? Say the answer in Chinese. You can use your sheet if you need to. Good. 蓝色. 蓝色. Okay, next one. 这是什么颜色? 这是什么颜色? Good. 粉红色. Pink. 粉红色. 这是什么颜色? 这是什么颜色? Okay. 白色. Good work. 白色. She's also, which is white. Sita also has a little bit of 黑色. 黑色, black. And 灰色. Good work. 灰色 for grey. 这是什么颜色? 绿色. Very good. 绿色. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a tiara, my answer is why not? Do things that make you happy when you're in lockdown. All right. Next one. This was one we started just before we went into lockdown. So you will need your key vocabulary sheet in front of you. So I'm going to read through this and I want you to repeat it after me. 你最喜欢什么颜色? 你最喜欢什么颜色? Okay, take a second to look at your key vocab sheet and work out what this question means. You need to pause the video to have some more time. That's fine. Do that now. If you said you most like what color, you are absolutely correct. Is there a way we could make that a little bit more grammatically correct in English? What color do you like the most? Or what's your favorite color? So if we put 最 most and 喜欢 together, most like, that equals favorite. So what's your favorite color? Very good. Now I want you to take a minute, pause the video, and I want you to copy this question down onto either this sheet or the where you've written down the words. Copy the question and then write it in English underneath. Pause the video. All right, now we're going to look at the answer. 我最喜欢 insert color here. So for me, I would say 我最喜欢蓝色 full stop. 我最喜欢蓝色 But for you, it could be any of the colors. Whatever is your favorite color, you would put in there. So I want you to once again, in a second, pause the video, copy this down and write it in English underneath with your answer in here. So pause the video. All right, very good, Year 4. So the last thing I want you to do is that I put a link to a colour song, which is a bit of fun for you to watch on YouTube for some recap and just something a little bit fun. Once you've watched that, that's the end of Chinese for today. But my challenge for you is this. When you're walking around your house and you're just doing your daily activities, as you look around, every now and then just go, oh, that wall is bicep. This is, or 这是, if you're being super fancy, 这是, this is, 这是咖啡色, or 这是红色. Just to practice, and a little bit of keeping Chinese in the forefront of your brain. All right, guys, have a wonderful week. I hope I get to see you in person soon. Take care of yourselves. 再见.